No playing on this money. When here someone register.
There's water. Like
Yes,
from
but
the-
I went with a lot of water.
This is
Like,
from
it's
the
like-
west.
Hey guys, I'm most welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. And if it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. So today guys, we have So today guys, I'm coming with something very different. We're going to be extracting coconut and what we're going to be doing, I'm here with my friend. She's called Talia.
Hi.
Yeah, we're going to be
Normally I'm
working.
prettier than this, but when they called me for that, I'm like, I'm not feeling well.
So guys, what we're doing here, we are collecting the water from the coconuts and it's used for drinking. You can drink it. What are the benefits of coconut water?
Detox, pretty much.
For detoxing, and it's also actually good for ladies and what's wrong with this?
That one is old. It's still fine.
It has a lot of water.
And it's milky.
And the water is milky, guys.
Not like seriously.
My phone.
Yeah, it's waterproof. You want to prove to us and then you say. Hey, I thought you already. This one is shy. Why can't you just if you're releasing, release?
So it's a rainy day here. It's freaking raining. So we're coming from here, and we need to have a place for us to break this fruit from. That's why we're also using this particular area. Whew. They are very hard and strong to break. Like it's a lot of work here.
Don't.
Sorry. So, you just break yourself.
Open!
Where is your hand?
Why are you freaking out like that? You can freaking me out.
I didn't know what.
You can
You're
just
like,
stuck
open, but then I wasn't understanding what I'm supposed to open.
Not
What's up with
Uh-huh.
this guy? What is that?
Like she's an old lady.
She's an old lady.
Yeah. So her skin is
So the way this thing broke, she says this guy is
it's like
old. This
how
lady
can I
is
say
old.
it's already falling off
Shrinking.
shrinking off like
Oh,
wrinkles.
sorry.
So it has created a cocoon for itself. On to our last coconut.
Well done, well done,
Finally,
ladies.
This is the last one.
Well done, well done.
That's a happy dance. Okay.
What did
This
it
is
just
not a
do?
nice one.
What
Let
I
me
wasn't
see.
a lot though. So guys, we are not disposing this away. We are going to be keeping it in the fridge. I think we shall be using it. You can drink it on a daily basis.
And in other countries, most of my country, what you do, they remove this. Like you say in a case like this, they remove this and then they fine it. So you can use sandpaper or here. Then they fine this around. Then they put what can I say? They make a hole. Then they put a wood. Then it's a scooping thing.
Scooping?
Yeah.
Oh, like
Like a ladle.
anything else.
Yeah.
We should actually keep this anyway. We don't cook for it.
Yeah, but they use it for scooping. But
But I've actually
they
seen
find it.
They
They
also
find it a lot that it's as the weight is inside. There's nothing like this.
they're also used for decoration. I've seen
Yeah.
most of these things around.
Most people they find it, then they dip it in paint, then they can put in any design they want.
Yeah, but unfortunately we are not good at art, so we're going to be disposing.
We shall let that go.
Keep them. And keep.
This is what makes this.
Yeah.
So bring in the best in.
The next thing, what do we need? We need
We need a spoon. We need knives. Because you're also scooping. And
No,
me, I'm
that is
going to
so
try my
sleepy.
best to scoop it in a way quicker way.
well, it's very hard to get out,
So you need a spoon.
but a spoon can't remove this.
Can you give me a spoon? You will see how easy it will be. I'll show you. Woo! Better. What's that? They're killing me with laughter. Yeah. Talia. Oh, that's good. It's amazing.
You cut yourself.
No, I just get to think it's easy, but it's not an easy thing.
Once you have a space like this, a good space. Or you do this, help me break.
So guys, this thing is actually not as easy as we thought. It's really tiring, and we have just did like, is it even a quarter of it? It's not even like a quarter of it. Like I've just done all this and I'm freaking tired. I don't know how much you're going to take to do all these things. So really tiring, like my hands are already dry, and then she's already cut herself. Like it's not an easy job. It needs a lot of work, and I think we need to hire people to help us, because us alone, we are failing. I'm going to try to break. Ooh.
That's
This could be actually good for us. Like, why don't we try this, Talia?
We try, but not all of them will be like that.
Let's try.
you fit yourself.
All these.
You know, the outer part is really hard. And it's dangerous if you're not careful.
Yeah.
It can actually hurt you. I'm already hurt, like this is blood.
You should never give up. Never give up.
It was very hard, like to break from here. Our hands were in pain, so I had to look for a panga. Okay, don't worry, it's clean. This is the color, so I had to wash it, and to make it easier, this is where we have all this. I'm putting down, and then I break like. You see? Easy.
I think you should do only one shot because the other one might be hard. That's hard.
Let me show you another one how we are doing it. Can you see here? So guys, this is the thing. Just, you see? Easy. Okay. Is the third process. This was the second. So we shall get back to you with the third process. Bye for now. Talia, how are you feeling?
Well, I really am not sure at this point how I'm feeling. My lashes look like shit. They're facing different directions.
Guys, she has lashes on herself. By the time we get done, like the ashes will be facing the other side and the other side, because this work is not easy. Cheers to this.
Oh.
Let's.
That's a no, like that's a, I forgot to add coconut in my hand.
Well done, Talia. Surprisingly, it was my first time touching it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
That's how you sit right there. You put yourself.
Hey, I've got yourself in now. You come and do this, I do that.
You're done.
She's like, she did get her, so she's just coming down.
Oh man.
This thing is painful, I know.
That's when you get your done. You throw it much after you get to that. Hey, yeah, that was very on point. I didn't have this. So guys, it's evening time, so what's now on? Austin, shut up. Shh. Yeah. Shh. So it's already evening time, guys. We finished extracting the coconut. No, we didn't finish extracting. Like we finished basically the first phase of the coconut extraction. So now remember the water that was coming out of the coconut oil? It was dirty, so I decided to come and I had to come and sieve it so that was something clear for drinking, and this is what I'm doing right now. Guys, before I forget, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell so that each time we post new videos will always be the first review. And yeah, thank you. Let me know like what are some of the videos you'd like me to bring for you. What do you like let me know, because with your help and I hope like we're easy to interact with each other and understand what you like and what you'd love me to bring for you. So yeah. So guys, I'm done putting it in here. I'm going to be refrigerating it.
The ass to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.
Hey guys, you are most welcome to my channel once again. My name is PHILO. If it's your first time here and if it's not your first time here, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, today is day 2 of the coconut oil extraction. Yesterday it rained a lot and then my friend had other things to do, so we couldn't do it and finish in time. And now today is just get everything, put it in a good place and wash them, keep them clean. Then tomorrow guys, I'll be bringing you on how they do the things like tomorrow we are going to be doing the blending and the squeezing out the juice so that we can again, I don't know if we're supposed to be keeping them for more extra days or we can actually like cook them at that very time. So anyways, tomorrow I'll be showing you how we shall be doing it, but all I wanted to say is like today is day 2 of coconut oil extraction. Guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, it's amazing. Please, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Let us reach this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Please, I'm begging you guys. Let's reach this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Otherwise, let's go into the washing. Enough of the talking. Guys, this is it. I'm done with the washing, so I'm going to be covering them and wait for tomorrow with my friend where we shall be doing the, what is it called? Where we shall be doing the blending and the squeezing out. So wait for part 2. which means we shall have to buy power.
So as I'm waiting for you, maybe you could give me that cloth, another jug. And you're squeezing out this one.
No, I'm here.
Eh?
We continue. I just want to use I want to put power in the saucepan.
Okay. That's why the blending and the washing needs to happen in the same day.
Yeah.
The cutting, so they keep on blending. But it's okay. Sure, okay. Hopefully it can sell. Better sell. Because
Better does.
because
Put a lot of power. Okay, whenever the blender gets full, we remove the residues and put them into
the flakes,
something.
coconut flakes.
Okay, the coconut flakes. We have to plug it off and then put it into something else.
But at least here, a jug will come out.
Look out.
The good thing is you have it pure and then mixed.
And then one thing I've noticed, industrial blender takes a long time, so it's better with the other usual blenders so that you just have to do once and maybe you deal with the separation. So we are done. This is our last thing. This is coconut flakes that just came out of all the other things that we just put, and this is the juice that has come out. All this. So what's next?
Squeezing the shit out of this juice.
So guys, we are squeezing juice out of the flakes. Can these things be used for anything else?
If they could, but they are not going to be used for now because remember our coconut.
So I think I'm going to be sieving it tomorrow morning. For now it's very hot and it's getting late. I've boiled it for like it has been boiling for about 1 hour because I started boiling around 9 and now it's coming to 10, so clearly that is 1 hour.